A mess to clean up, holy.
Okay guys, we didn't get much done on the D50 build because we cooked. Day 2 on the NASA space shuttle launch. Okay guys, here's how the Caliber sits right now. Got all the doors and body panels ripped off, the front seats pulled out. Tear down time. Okay, we've got the rad and front clip pretty much completely apart, taking off the coolant lines, vacuum lines, breather lines, just getting everything disconnected to drop the K-member. What's up guys, back out here. It's been a long spell this week, but try to do something here. Probably won't need these, but I'll take them anyway. Okay guys, my garage isn't even close to being done, but we got it drywalled and we're gonna hit this project here. So here it is, the Ram 50 in the garage. We're gonna rip the engine, trans out, fuel tank out, drive shaft, exhaust, everything under the engine bay, pretty much strip it down just like we strip the Caliber. So let's get to it. Got a lightweight radiator here.
I know, it's crazy.
I need a 10 mil and 15 mil. In just a matter of minutes, we've got this thing stripped, ready to pull. Transmission, crosswind run done, drive shaft, exhaust, electrical, fuel lines, fluid lines, you name it. So, gonna get this thing hooked up and drop lights on. We're live here. Factory 2.4 coming out. Mod City. Hopefully we can clear that radiator support.